Morning guys, just a brief update this week. If you're new here, consider that hitting that subscribe button. Make sure you don't miss out on any future content. Well, let's get straight into it. Right guys, just a little clip outside of the filterhouse build. Temperatures overnight have been down to -2, -3 degrees, maybe a little bit more, and my pond is completely frozen over. Now you can see at the bottom of your screen there where my easy pod's coming in, creating good water flow. There's no ice there. At the back there, where the water's coming out of the moving bed, again there's flow there and there's no ice there. So that's leaving a gap in the ice for exchange on CO2 and oxygen, which is what we want at this time of year. In the middle, as you might have seen on my other videos, I've got an air stone or a retrofit bottom drain with an airline on the top with 60 litres per hour pumping it, 40 litres per hour pumping into it. Now that seems to have frozen up. The airline actually seems to have frozen up. So the point of me making this little clip is, don't rely on your air stones. I would rather get a little bit of water movement from your returns to keep some free water on the top, so it's not all completely frozen in. The danger that you get when the whole pond is frozen in is that there's no exchange, CO2 exchange for oxygen. That's my opinion. So yeah, don't rely on your air stones guys, because that was quite powerful coming out of that retrofit bottom drain. And the dog's taking a piss. Cheers Loki. Yeah, there's a lot of air coming out of that retrofit bottom drain, and it's frozen up. Luckily, my returns on my 2 filters have kept the water, have kept the ice clear, and have also kept the oxygen CO2 exchange going. So yeah, if you already knew that, then good on you. If you didn't, then I hope I helped you. Right, so yeah, my 2 returns. My pod is still working. I came out and checked it last night before I went to bed. Pod's up there. I'll show you that in a second, but yeah, the return's still coming through. But just about. And my other return over there. Just about, but I'd say there's probably a good inch and a half thick ice on the top there. All my fish at the moment are accounted for. My kaku there's slowly moving, but the rest are stationary, but they're all upright, which is good. Like I said, my air stone, well not my air stone, my retrofit bottom drain is around about there somewhere. Even on Wednesday, but it only dropped to about -2, -3. That's all frozen up. That white line there is the airline. Obviously, because I'm rebuilding, it's all exposed now, so I do believe that the moisture in that has frozen the airline. So yeah, I'm just relying on these 2 returns here. I'll have to keep an eye on it. So I'll just go and show you the easy pod. Okay, sorry if the camera works a bit shaky today guys. It's pretty cold out here. Bit of ice on that. Starting to big block of ice there. I am going to have to keep my eye on this today. Ice there, but it's still running at the moment. Hopefully it's going to start warming up in the next day or 2. I was on GKP live last night, and a lot of you were talking about freezing up of the ponds. I know a lot of us are quite concerned, but we can only do what we can do. I've got a lot of exposed pipe work at the moment due to the build, which I'm a bit nervous about. Saw Davey, Black Country bloke Davey Coy's video from yesterday. He's had a right nightmare of it, so I hope you get that sorted soon, Dave. Obviously he said he's stuck his heaters on now, which is helping, but yeah, I'm unheated as much as suit. So yeah, they're all upright at the moment, so I'm not over concerned. But yeah, I have to keep my eye on this. Yeah, so it seems like I've made one massive amateurish mistake as well. I thought to myself a couple of weeks ago, I need to get my big blue in before it starts freezing up, because what happens to water when it gets cold? It expands. And my pre-filter is destroyed. I don't know what I was thinking. Well, obviously I wasn't thinking, otherwise I would have got that inside. It's the full size big blue. I should have that cylinder wrapped, but it's just another one of them jobs that you put off until it's too late. But luckily I've had a look on it. The rest of the main part of the body seems good, but yeah, that pre-filter is going to need changing. So you can let me know where I can get one of those from, guys, so we can get that sorted for next season. But yeah, amateurish mistake. So yeah, that's it really, guys. Just a quick one this week. I haven't been doing anything on the build. It's just been too cold, to be honest. But hoping to get a little bit done in the next few days. Just a quick message as well. Jack, aka the Balding Reefer, get well soon, mate. He hasn't been very well. If you watch his videos, you'll see the message that he put on there. I think that was Thursday night as well, so it doesn't sound too good, but yeah, give yourself some rest, mate. I hope you get well soon. Make sure you stay tuned for next week's video. We're going to be having a Christmas giveaway. It's my Christmas special. Hopefully it's a little bit warmer this time next week. So yeah, keep your eyes peeled for that. So until next week, see you soon.